My name's Dave Atkinson. I'm the UK Head of Manufacturing at Lloyds Banking Group for our SME and mid-corporates business. My role at Lloyds Bank is to design, launch, lead and now manage a proposition specifically to support our manufacturing clients. So offering the training to our managers is incredibly important. We as a bank want to provide the very best quality of service to our clients that we can. And there are so many different nuances within the manufacturing sector and so many different languages used around the actual sector that if we don't help them understand that, quite frankly, they're going to be no different to any other banker, and we want to differentiate ourselves in the sector. So the single most important thing to us at Lloyds Bank for putting our managers through the course here to understand the sector better is to give our managers great credibility with manufacturing clients, and that credibility comes from the better quality conversations they're able to have with clients, understanding the sector to a level that they just would never have been able to do without the insight and the training that WMG gave us. The biggest feedback that we've had from our teams about the quality of the course is the fact that they actually get trained by industrial experts that have been there in industry. So I found that the way the course was delivered in a run of 5 days residentially at the University of Warwick really beneficial. Firstly, because it really does immerse the colleagues that are going through the course in that training together for a whole week without the distractions of the day-to-day job. But then also the practical ability to be able to apply some of that knowledge by going out and visiting manufacturing businesses during the week and then coming back and discussing, if it was their client, how would they now apply that knowledge that they've just learnt in the classroom. I'd highly recommend working with WMG to other businesses purely because of the professionalism, the high quality face-to-face training that you deliver, the consistency of that training. I mean, we've now trained over 400 colleagues over the last 6 years, and that training has been not just consistent, but also continually developed to keep us and colleagues up to date. So I'd personally recommend any leaders in organisations considering working with WMG at the University of Warwick to actually go through that training course themselves, regardless of what they think they already know. I got great value from it, and when I'm out talking to clients myself, I can apply that knowledge personally. So we chose to work with WMG at the University of Warwick because of the world-renowned reputation that the brand of WMG has got, and we wanted to be associated with an organisation that is affiliated with manufacturing worldwide. Gives us great credibility.